Hey, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in your day. Going to do some notes on dividing polynomials, and yeah, see what we can do here. So, same process as yesterday. Okay, couple of new things, really just placeholder stuff. Okay, so what we've been doing has been trinomials. Now, this is a polynomial with 3 terms right now, except we're missing the x term. So here's how we would rewrite this if we were looking at true standard form. So if I was rewriting that with true standard form, and I'm going to go ahead and just put it in the long division model. So got x minus 1. Bring that down, that's good. Bring that down. Now I don't have an x term. I go right from x squared to negative 4. So I'm going to put in a 0x, because really what 0x is, it's just 0. So it's really the same thing as having a 0x right in there. And the minus 4 comes down. So that's really the only new thing here. Okay. Like if I had 5x cubed plus 3x minus 7, I'd still have to write 5x cubed plus 0x squared plus 3x minus 7. I gotta hold the place there. So if I'm doing this now, it becomes, what do I multiply by x to get 2x cubed? And I believe it's going to be 2x squared. And when I do that, I put 2x squared out here. And now I've got 2x cubed minus 2x squared. Okay. Change the sign, subtract, add the opposite, however you think about it. Minus, plus, over, add them. Same game we just did. What times this is going to get me this? And this time it is. And when I multiply this by this, I get cancel them, subtract them, change the sign. However you're thinking about it, 4x minus 4. What times, same game, same repetition, same pattern. And when I do that minus and that plus, then I get 0. Forgot to add my fluff there. So my final answer is going to be okay. So that is number 1. We need to pause it, stop it here so that you can get that down. That's fine by me. And then we'll move on to the next example. Same kind of thing here. We don't have an x squared term, so we're going to have to hold the place there. So 3n minus 1. What times this gets me this. Pretty sure it's that. Change the sign. Drop it down. And again, what times this gets me this? And I'm pretty sure it's just n. And that gets me 3n squared minus n. Change the signs. Down. And again, what times gets me this? Put my n up here. And I've got change the signs. Left with 4. Can't multiply 3n by anything to give me 4. So my final answer would be there you go. Again, we can pause it here and let you catch up with that. Make sure that's up and running. And then I want to look at some from your homework. And we'll move forward with all that. So let's look at 13 on the homework that you did last night. And again, I'm going to get a piece of paper out. Give myself plenty of room here to do this problem. I'm just going to start by writing it. Out. And when I do this problem, I think I'm going to multiply by 3/8. That to me looks like 6a² plus 15a. And when I work through that, minus and minus, pretty sure I am going to get a minus 8a plus 5, and it becomes what times 2a is going to get me minus 8a, and I'm pretty sure that is going to be minus 4. Put that in the top. So now I've got minus 8a minus 20. I'm going to change that to positive. I'm going to change that to positive, and I believe I get 25. Two a is not going to go into 25, so I'm good on that. So my final answer would be 3a minus 4 plus 25 over 2a plus 5. Final answer. Alright, let's hit one more on the back. Got a couple minutes before this thing cuts off, and then let you guys get to work. Get after this. Flipping this thing over. 18. Same kind of stuff. Give ourselves some room here. Making sure it goes 3, 2, 1, 0 with the exponents, which it does. So, pretty sure I'm going to get p squared here. And when I do that, I get p cubed minus 2p squared. Minus plus. That to me it looks like I am going to get minus 2p squared p. What times p is going to get me this? And I think it is going to be minus 2p. I've got minus 2p squared plus 4p. Change the sign. Minus 3p plus 6. Video is about to stop, so I'm going to leave it there. Rest of the hour, you're finishing both sides of the worksheet. It'll be due tomorrow, and you have your work attached to it. Good luck.